Let's jump right into it. The very latest on our 3 first alert weather days. Round number 1 is starting late tomorrow and continuing into very early Friday morning. The snow starts to ramp up overnight Wednesday, though, with Thursday being the main impact day for round number 1. This one is expected to bring some shovelable snow, especially across the Southern Valley and points east. Then round number 2, after a midday break, arrives Friday evening, continues to late Saturday. Now, not that models are showing it, but if timing shifts a little bit, we could see some flakes into early Sunday morning. Overall, your Easter Sunday looks pretty dry, but this round number 2 also brings more shovelable snow. So we talked about this a few minutes ago, but just within the last hour or so, the National Weather Service has issued winter weather advisories for all these areas in this bluish purple color, and then further off to the east, a winter storm watch. You can get the timing details because it is broken up into several sections on our website, valleynewslive.com. Now, by the time we wake up tomorrow, we're cloudy, we're quiet. A few flakes try to work their way in throughout the afternoon, but it's going to take a little while for this to really get going and ramp up. That really doesn't happen until late tomorrow night and into Thursday morning. It comes with an easterly wind, which can be a little drying initially, so we got to overcome some of that initial dry air. By Thursday, expecting some scattered snow in our region. Down to the southeast, a little closer to the Twin Cities, expecting freezing rain and rain. But in our area, expecting snow. Heavy at times, where you see the darker blues and even the whites. That indicates higher snowfall rates, 1 inch, maybe 2 inches per hour. And by the time you are heading home Thursday afternoon, still expecting widespread snow, a northeasterly breeze. But by early Friday, that tapers off and lifts to the northeast. So that is round number 1. And round number 1 expected to bring some lofty snowfall amounts in parts of the valley. This dark blue color, that's 4 to 8 inches, including Fargo-Moorhead. Meanwhile, there are some areas indicated by purple that could see about 6 to 10 inches of snow. Lesser amounts south and east due to the changeover to freezing rain and rain. And then depending on how far it lifts north, not expecting as much snow in northeastern North Dakota or along the international border. Round number 2, this is a different forecast model. The one I just showed you is our in-house high-resolution model. That doesn't go out far enough. So this is the European model. By Friday afternoon, seeing that next round lift in, could see some initial warmer air. I put that in quotes, which is just above freezing, so not warm. But that changes over to all snow Friday night into Saturday. Again, seeing some areas of heavy snowfall rates throughout the day on Saturday too. And then that moves out Saturday night into Sunday morning. A little too soon to talk snowfall amounts for that round number 2, but it is looking to be a handful of inches again. But what we can look at is liquid equivalent. This is if we were to melt down the snow and how much water is left. So round 1 could bring up to an inch, if not a little more, water content, and then tacking on round 2 on top of that, a good part of the valley could see 1 to 2 inches of liquid precipitation over the next couple of days. Right now, we are quiet, clear skies east. Tomorrow morning temperatures mostly in the 20s, a few teens further north, and then afternoon temperatures across the board in the 30s. Temperatures are still cold on Thursday as well, and really throughout the rest of the week. So let's put everything together quickly in your extended forecast. You can see those first alert weather days. Quieter Sunday, but still chilly. Still chilly on Monday too, slight chance for some wintry mix. And then we start to warm back up. Some low 50s by the middle of next week.
Seems like mild weekends at this point are very few and far between. We're not getting any breaks here.
We're not on a good track record lately.
Well, we'll just have to go through it.
Yes.
Thank you, Summer. Still to come on your news at 4, we'll introduce you to a family-owned grocery store in North Dakota and hear why the owners are making the difficult decision to close the doors after more than 60 years in business. We'll be right back.